Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to get Image2 for free. First, you want to go and open your browser, then search for Arena AI like this. Then you want to go to the first option. Then you want to go and click on this option right here on the top left side. Then go to Direct. Then go and click on Max. And of course, you should log in into your account. And after that, you should scroll down till you find Image2 ChatGPT. You can simply search for it like this, but you just have to choose image before that. So choose image, then search for image like this, and here you have image 2, image 1 ChatGPT. You just have to scroll down till you find here GPT image 2. And now we can type any prompt that you actually need. Let's say make a photo of football player scoring a goal, for example. And as I mentioned, you should log in into your account and continue with Google. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.